In today's video, I will walk you through how to create custom indicators in TradingView. To get started, make sure you're on a chart in TradingView. Once you're on your chart, look over to the toolbar along the right side of the screen. Near the bottom right corner, you'll find a small mountain-shaped icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the scripting workspace. After clicking it, a pane will appear on the right side of the screen. This is the area where you can create and edit custom indicators. Inside this editor, you can enter the script that will power your custom indicator. If you already have code prepared, you can paste it directly into the editor. If not, you can type your script directly into the workspace. As you work in the editor, continue entering the code for the custom indicator you want to create. You can make adjustments and changes as needed until the script reflects the indicator you want to use. Keep adding or editing your code within the editor until you're ready to test it on your chart. Once your code is in place, look for the Add to Chart button. Click Add to Chart to apply the indicator to your current chart. TradingView will compile the script and attempt to display the indicator on the chart immediately. If the script contains an issue, an error message may appear in the editor. Review the message, make the necessary adjustments to your code, and then click Add to Chart again. Continue making changes and testing the script until the indicator appears and behaves the way you want it to. After successfully adding the indicator to the chart, take a moment to review the results. Check that the plots, conditions, and visual elements display as expected. If you want to make additional adjustments, return to the editor, update the script, and add it to the chart again. When you're satisfied with the final version of the indicator, click Save. Saving the script stores your work so you can access it again later without having to recreate it from scratch. That's all there is to creating a custom indicator in TradingView. Start from any chart, click the mountain-shaped icon to open the scripting pane, enter or paste your indicator code into the editor, use Add to Chart to test it, make any needed adjustments, and then save your completed script. With those steps completed, your custom indicator is ready to use directly on your TradingView charts. Thank you for watching.